And because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to jump straight into it. So let's go straight into the first one, which is with Google Shopping. Now, most of you that are watching this video that's new to this channel has probably never heard of Google Shopping before, but I can honestly say that it changed my life. Understanding how Google Shopping works is such a powerful thing because essentially the way that it works is that people go onto Google, as I've already mentioned, they type in a specific keyword for a product that they're looking to buy. And as long as you understand how to use Google Shopping, you're going to be able to put that product in front of that customer so that you're going to be able to generate sales even when you're fast asleep. This is something that I've done myself, and I've been able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit by doing it. Now, just to quickly break down the best way that you can get started, it's all going to come down to which product that you're going to sell. And one way that you can find products that are selling well right now and are most likely selling well on Google is by going over to a tool like AutoDS. Now, AutoDS can be used for so many different things, but it can also be used when it comes to coming up with product ideas because they've got this marketplace over here where they've got all of these different bestsellers. And they've also got this section over here where they can show you trending products that are selling well right now. So what I like to do when I'm looking for a new winning product to sell is just to scroll through this page and see if there's any item that stands out to me. And I'm just going to quickly show you how Google Shopping can help you when it comes to generating sales every single day. So let's use this product over here. So by the looks of it, it looks like a headache cap. So if I just click into it, okay, yep, just as I thought, it's a migraine headache relief cap. And this is what the product looks like. We can see a lot of data on this page, how many sales this product has been able to generate on a monthly basis. But now that we've got an idea of which product is potentially selling well, backed by proven data according to AutoDS, what we can now do is head over to Google Trends. Google Trends is going to be able to show us the search data and if people are actually going onto Google to search for this product. So I'm just going to type in headache cap just like this and then click on explore. And straight away, it's now come back showing us the search trend ever since 2020. So we can see that ever since 2022, more and more people went onto Google to search for this specific keyword. And we can also see that right now, Google is estimating that more people are about to go onto Google to search for this product. And bear in mind that this is just an example. There's so many different items out there. All I'm doing is showing you the steps that you might want to take when it comes to you figuring out whether or not a product is worth selling. And what's even more interesting is that if I now go onto Google, I'm going to show you different sellers that are selling this exact same product that you can sell yourself using Google Shopping. So if I just type in the keyword in there just like that, and straight away at the top, you're going to notice that the potential customer is going to be shown all of these different products that they can buy. And a lot of them are using the dropshipping method when it comes to selling the item, which means that they don't even need to ship it out themselves. So imagine how powerful this is, being able to target a customer that's typing in an item that they want to buy. They've most likely got their credit card in their hand. So all you need to do is make sure that you put your product on this page over here, or you can put it on the shopping tab over here. If I just click into it, there's a certain step-by-step method that you can follow when it comes to building a dropshipping store and getting your product showcased on this page over here. And just to give you some insight into the amount of profit that you can potentially make when it comes to using the dropshipping method, if I just click into this store over here, I'm just gonna go over to the product page. As you can see, it's a really simple Shopify store where they're selling the item for $29.99. However, if I go back onto AutoDS, it's going to be able to show me somewhere where I can source the product myself. So I'm just going to click on AliExpress at the top over here. And as we can see on AliExpress, the product is available for us to buy right now for 99 cents. So from everything that I've shown you so far in this video, I'm sure that you can already see the power of using something like Google Shopping when it comes to making money. But if you wanted me to make a more detailed video showing you the step-by-step process, everything that goes into building your store, loading it with winning products, using something like AutoDS, and just managing everything when it comes to the fulfillment, picking the best supplier, so on and so forth, put in the comments down below, do the Google Shopping video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But swiftly moving on to one of the second ways that you can make money with Google, which is with Google videos. So again, this is probably something that most of you have never heard of before, but the funny thing is you probably use it all the time. And I'm going to quickly explain what it is, how it works, and how you can make money from it. Now, when I say Google videos, all this means is that you're going to publish videos on the internet, ideally YouTube, and you're going to make sure to use the right title, the right keywords in the description when it comes to getting that video ranked in the Google search results. And this might still sound a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you what you need to be aware of, the most important things when it comes to getting started. And plus, there's ways that you don't even need to show your face on camera, and you don't even need to use your voice if you don't want to. But one of the first steps that you can take is to come over to vidIQ. vidIQ is one of the best YouTube softwares out there, and they've got this AI chat feature that you can have a conversation with. So I'm going to leave a 30-day trial link to vidIQ in my description, but what you're going to be able to do is type in a prompt like this, something along the lines of, tell me the 10 best niches for a channel to start that can get ranked in the Google search results. Then click on send. And just like that, as you just saw, it came back with these 10 different channels that I'm going to be able to use when it comes to the niche of the channel that I'm thinking about starting. So one of the first ones in the list is personal finance, and we can see that the type of video that it's advising me to make is tips on budgeting. So let me just copy the word budgeting just like this. Then what I'm going to do is come over to the outliers feature, and over here vidIQ is going to be able to show us videos that have performed really well in the past week, the past month, on channels that are not really big, which means that if we replicate those type of videos on a small channel, we've got a chance of succeeding as well. And I'm going to tie all of this in when it comes to the Google videos, so stick with me. So if I just come over here and type in budgeting, I'm going to click on search. I'm also going to be able to filter the amount of subscribers that the channel has. So I'm going to put, let's say 10,000 subscribers maximum. And I'm also going to say that I want it to show me videos that were uploaded in the past month, and then click on apply. And as you can see, it's now come back with all of these different types of videos, where some of them are showing their face, some of them are faceless videos that were generated with AI. For example, there's this video over here where they've got 9,000 subscribers, but in the last 9 days they were able to get over 14,000 views. There's also this video over here that was able to get over 88,000 views in the last month, even though they've only got 3,000 subscribers. And there's also this video over here that they've only got 2,000 subscribers, but yet they were able to get over 84,000 views in a single month. So if we just use this video here as an example, it's an AI generated video. The thumbnail is AI generated. The video is AI generated. But the interesting thing is, if I just go over to the Google search engine, I'm just going to paste the title of the video in there just like that, and then click on search. From here, what you probably do, what a lot of people do, is that they click on the videos tab at the top, and instantly you guys can see that the faceless video that we was able to find on vidIQ is at the top of the Google video search results. It's right here. So not only is this channel getting views from the YouTube search results, as well as the browse features and all of the other traffic sources, but they're also getting traffic from the #1 most visited website in the entire world, which is of course Google. They didn't need to show their face, they didn't need to use their voice, and this is something that I've been able to do multiple times myself, because if I just go over to the back end of one of my YouTube channels, this is the analytics for a video that I uploaded not too long ago, but as you can see from this video, I was able to get over 100,000 views. I was also able to get 1,000 subscribers from this one video, and more importantly, I was able to generate over $2,200 in AdSense revenue from uploading this video. Now if I just click on the reach tab, right here we can see that the main traffic source for this video was external. 91% of the viewers that came to this particular video was outside of YouTube. And of course, as you guessed it, if I just scroll down, the main website that I was able to get all of the external traffic from is Google search. So I'd say that those are the basic things that you need to know when it comes to utilizing the power of Google videos. Just like with anything else, there's going to be a lot more that goes into it. And I've got many more videos coming out over the next week or so when it comes to the step-by-step method of how you can make money with Google videos, how you can generate AI videos where you don't need to show your face, you don't need to speak on camera, buy any lighting equipment or anything like that. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. But moving on to the third way that you can make money with Google, which is with the standard Google search engine. Now, with this one, it's going to work in a slightly different way from the other methods that I showed you, because you're not going to have to make any videos, you're not going to have to ship out any physical products. Literally, all you're going to be doing is publishing written articles. And the goal is to get those articles ranked in the Google search results, where you're going to be able to make money in a number of different ways. And I'm going to explain that as we go along. But let me show you an example of what one of these type of websites look like. So this is my site over here that could be found at successwithbusiness.com. So it's a site that I've shown on my channel many times, and it's one of the many websites that I'm running right now. Websites like this allow me to generate thousands of dollars every single week. Even though they're really simple, they're really powerful when it comes to earning an extra source of income. So if I just click on blog, these are the different articles that me and my team are publishing every single day, and a majority of them have been able to again get ranked in the Google search results. Because for example, if I just go over to the Google search engine and type in a random search term that just came to my head for an article that me and my team published not too long ago, which is how to start a newsletter business. If I just click on Google search, right here, as you guys can see in the search results, I've been able to get this article ranked by understanding how to use SEO, which is using the right keywords in the right places throughout this entire article. And you're probably thinking right now, Sam, what you've shown me so far is amazing, but how exactly am I going to be able to make money from a website like this? So as I said, there's a number of different ways, but I would say that one of the easiest ways that you can start making money from websites like this from day one is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you're going to place affiliate links throughout your article. If someone clicks on one of those links, you're going to be able to earn something called an affiliate commission. So as you can see in this article, I've got affiliate links for softwares like Aweber. This is an email marketing software that I use with various different online businesses. And because Aweber is the software that I use, I know that it works, I'm happy with it. I've got an affiliate link right here that if someone clicks into it, it's going to take the person directly to Aweber, where they're going to be able to sign up for an account. So those are the basic things that you need to know when it comes to earning money with the Google search engine. And because I don't want this video to be too long, what I'm going to do is link a completely free masterclass down below. It should be the top link in the description. In that free masterclass, I'm going to be able to spend a lot more time showing you the fine details of what you need to be aware of when it comes to starting this side hustle, and just the things that I wish I knew at the very beginning, because it would have allowed me to go from zero to over $100,000 in pure profit with the side hustle a lot sooner. So make sure you check out that free masterclass, top link in the description. And if you also wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I show you some of my favorite side hustles that'll be perfect for a beginner that doesn't really have that much money when it comes to getting a side hustle up and going, you're going to be able to watch that YouTube video by clicking the link over there. Check that out straight after this, because it's already helped out so many people. I've gotten so much good feedback from it, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll see you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.